Today's video is Monster Mr. Bean destroys fridge/grounded.
Man, I really hate my normal clone. Why? Because he always get me and my friends into trouble for stupid reasons, and I wonder what I should do. I know, I'm going to destroy the fridge. Ha 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 ha.
When Monster Mr. Bean got to the kitchen.
Okay, now I'm in the kitchen, now let's destroy the fridge. Yes! I destroyed the fridge. Now let's get out of here before I get caught. Oh no! Fridge is broken, and who destroyed the fridge? Wait a minute, I think I know who destroyed the fridge. It was my monster clone. My monster clone, come here. What is it, my normal clone? My monster clone, did you destroy the fridge? Tell me the truth right now. Yes! I destroyed the fridge. My monster clone, how dare you destroy the fridge? That's it, you're grounded for 7 weeks. Go to your room right now. No.
Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel.